I am so happy to be right here, right now, and introduce to you chicken roulade. Which dish would your mom make to make you happy? This was the recipe my mom used to make when kids were around. She wanted to celebrate or make us something really special because it was a special day. Just very simple steps. The chicken would have to stay extremely thin and then we'll layer the ingredients on top. Our favorite was ham, sausage, carrot, and the egg, just like this recipe here today. Whilst I'm doing this recipe, I cannot stop smiling because I cannot stop thinking how my mom used to make these special recipes to make us happy. My heart, it's so warm and fuzzy. Yeah, it's mushy, but I love it. Chicken roulade always meant party. Now I'm going to season the chicken and I'm going to layer the ingredients. So simple and fast. And now I'm going to roll it really tight. Now I'm going to tie the chicken roulade with cotton twine. Now this part actually was Mr. Gomez that was teaching me, not my mom. But I love it. It's so easy and simple. And your chicken roulade will never fall apart. It looks so pretty. And I flip it around and I make sure that it stays as pretty as the front. I am so grateful that you make part of this channel and I am so happy that you're subscribed. But if you're not, please do subscribe right away. Hit the bell as well. And don't forget to comment and like. It's so important for the growth of the channel. Of course, I'm so grateful for each time you share each recipe. Thank you so much. And I'm repeating now the recipe one more time. Today is a celebration of mothers in the UK, and speaking with my friends from on the other side of the pond, we just discovered that there are so many different dates to celebrate Mother's Day. In Portugal is the first Sunday of May. In the States, Australia, and so many other countries, it's actually on the second Sunday of May. And even in Thailand, my friend Renee was saying that is the 12th of August because it is the birthday of the Queen. Look at that, how cute that is. Celebration of moms. In the end, it's a celebration of every day because they do so much, and this unconditional love is just so special. What are the special dishes that your mom used to make for you, and which dishes do you make for your kids? I cannot wait to read your comments. I'm tightening the twine, but not so much that the meat will be cut. I will make still a third one, and then I'm going to rub them all with the mom's marinade, and I'm going to add the link above. On a bed of onions, I'm going to allow them to rest for 2 hours in the fridge. And before going to the oven, for extra oomph, I'm going to add a garlic head in between the chicken roulade. A little touch of seasoning, and then I'm going to use some frozen vegetable stock that I have in the fridge and sprigs of parsley. Now I will allow to roast in the oven for around 40 minutes until golden. After 20 minutes, I will add a splash of white wine. And if you don't want to use wine, you can always use lemon. I am cutting the twine and it's ready to be served. My mom always serves the chicken roulade with mashed potatoes, and the link is above. Serve with love and bon appetit! Oh, my inner child really loves this dish.